Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes, and welcome to a special Christmas edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great Christmas song that's celebrating its 40th anniversary. The song is called Last Christmas, and it was written by the late great George Michael and performed by Wham. Originally released on December 3rd, 1984, every year this song charted on the Billboard Hot 100 Christmas songs, and this year is no exception. The last that I looked, it's peaked now at number 3 on that Christmas Billboard chart. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. Now, what we're going to do for this video is I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll review the chord progressions. At the end of the video, we'll put everything together that we've learned and we'll perform an Acoustic Lounge cover version of Last Christmas. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Christmas song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know to get through the Acoustic Lounge version of Last Christmas, a quick note. If you want to play along with me, you're going to need to place your capo on the 4th fret. Now, for the record, this is a simplified version using easy open chords. This is not a version that you can learn to play along with the original album version. Just keep that in mind. In addition, I place my capo on the 4th fret because of my singing style. Depending on how you sing, you can place your capo anywhere on the fret and have a good match to your singing voice. Keep that in mind. There are no rules here to learn this great song. With that, let's have a closer look now at the chords that you're going to need to know. Again, capo on the 4th fret standard tuning. All right, first chord that you're going to need to know is an E minor. You're going to need to know an A minor. You're going to need to know a D chord. And finally, there's a G. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through the Acoustic Lounge version of this great Christmas song. Let's now have a closer look at the chord progressions. Okay, we're basically going to break this into 2 parts for you. We're going to show you how to play the verses first, and then we're going to show you how to actually play the chorus. There's not much in the way of an intro to this song or an outro or even a bridge for that matter. And the best part is the chord progression simply repeats itself through the entire song. It doesn't matter if you're in the verses or in the choruses. With that, we're going to start today with a look at the chorus first, and then we'll finish things off with a look at the verses. Let's now jump in to the chorus.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Okay, fairly easy, a nice easy strum to it. If you'd like to know a little bit of a strumming pattern, I'll show you what I'm doing. Although it's a little bit unique to me, I would encourage you to find a strumming pattern that works best for you. But what am I doing? I'm basically going down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's really it. That's all I'm doing. Yes, it changes slightly throughout the song. Again, I encourage you to find a strumming pattern that works best for you. Now, with that, let's jump now into the verses.
Once bitten, twice shy. I keep my distance, but you still catch
is played in a very similar fashion as the chorus. Okay, let's put everything together now that we've just learned and perform an acoustic lounge cover version from start to finish of this great song. Here we go.
Guess I was a shoulder to cry on, a face on a lover with the fire in his heart, a man on the cover, but you tore me apart. Oh yeah, now I found real love, won't fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Whoa, 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 whoa.
And there you have it, Last Christmas, written by George Michael and performed by Wham. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly appreciate it. For those of you who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And for those that are maybe just coming by my channel for the first time, consider subscribing. Here at the Acoustic Lounge, we learn and review very, very easy guitar songs that most beginners can pick up with just a little bit of practice. Again, Merry Christmas to you. Have a safe and happy holiday. Enjoy your new year. We look forward to putting up a lot more content in 2025. Until then, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.